escaping. He ran against the traffic, and that's how the accident happened. These ones were coming from market.
And the keke was on the highway.
Keke was on the highway. Keke was on his own, going towards this way.
Nigeria police don't start again. 2021. It don't open again. Road don't open for Nigeria police. Meaning they misbehave again. 2021. What did they stop? What did they happen? Nigeria police. My people, now welcome to my YouTube channel. God bless you now. So now take come. May God bless you now for now good work. So today, Nigeria police and Yahoo boys matter. Now it carry me come here. What did they do for that Nigeria? Now what it come clear? Now hungry they really they beat you now. I be now. If they find the real Yahoo, now Nigeria police be number one. Now Nigeria police, they be number one of Yahoo. Why be say una no go let person get rest of mind for that country? Una they say Yahoo carry una money. Now una get money where Yahoo boys carry. Now una be oyibo when be say Yahoo boys face. Wait till una see for life. Now Yahoo boys be the omila will get for Nigeria. The real thief. Now Yahoo boys. Governor where they thief everything where be say in Nigeria. President, all those ones, where they thief everything where be say belongs to citizen. When I not see there, no, well not go see there where they be saying that them a plow now. When not fit see there, we not blind. Innocent people when is there, Yahoo where be say they go school, they graduate, they no work. Work where they see not to Yahoo people. Ma talking like that. Work where they see. For school where they don't, what they don't, you know school where they go before they feel know how to press that laptop. You will be officer say you not go school reach half of them. Now they chase them up and down. If not be Yahoo, hungry for dog buy one, if you don't finish half of people for that Nigeria, babati for that they happen. Many houses when it day night today, now their power. No one let them rest. Because we not say if we not give them chance, they go, it's sure now they go even governor Nigeria. Now they go be president of Nigeria. They go be president of Nigeria. But did they prepare now? My people, what did happen? Police they pursue Yahoo boys for inside street, for inside road, for PTI road. PTI Delta for Warri. Police they begin they pursue Yahoo boys. Then they pursue them, they not feel catch, they not go say me they explore. They not go say me they relax. They begin they pursue them. Keke when it dey in your lane, they suffer, they drive, they go. Now police go blast. Innocent woman when they suffer, they go in you, whether na business they go, or if they go in house, so that woman, it brain scatter for ground. See the innocent, beautiful girl when he carry. God. When I watch the video, but my left leg shake me. That pikin never reach 8 months. Police when he meant to protect citizen, when he meant to guide citizen, to make sure say nothing not do them. Now una come dey take people. Now una come dey give people RIP. I been away to una president or governor tell una say make una dey use brain, they wipe people because the population too much. I never understand. If you be say na him, I no want talk. Make una begin dey talk. For abroad, yeah. Police no dey pursue anybody, be you black or white. They no dey pursue. If they come meet you, say you bagger, you base, they not pursue you. They'll just leave you. Even though na 200 years they take catch you, that run when you run for 90 beginning, they go come remind. They go remember you for 200 years. You yourself go shock. Now that one they take get sense. Now that one they take now them be the real police. Una na omila. Nigeria police na omila. Now una be the original get correct ojinoji for Nigeria. The way una take dey zua follow una take dey fool una sef dey thief follow everywhere. Europe police not be like that. If una just you get information say this person dey do this kind of business wey e not pure, like say they sell white now, una go mumu say una wan go track that person down that minute. Europe police not be like that. Even though they get information say so person dey sell anything wey not clear, they go monitor that person for like 3 to 4 years. But the day wey they will come for man, when they will call for that person, and then they come with full speed like this, that person not see where they wrong go. They go just catch am. Now don't be the sense where they get. Most of these Mugu police them, una don't travel out of the country. Una don't see things. Una not don't they pay me reach my bones so. Open una they see things if una travel. Una not they use and they learn. Una they continue na lose hands follow everywhere. Una they make sure say make una they tell people make the e short na dem go even enter. They go use their hand dig grave then they go enter. Una they make sure say things hard for people. Yahoo not thief una money. They no rob una. They una not una be the white. White when it be say they gbege self, when be say they do the you know when be say they exchange business with the white. No, that one day has the sleep. Una they road they pursue people, they pursue Yahoo. Innocent people who go use their head carry am. Now who go let innocent woman when they go in you. That thing wanna do that woman. Now generation curse una. Now curse una don't create for ground. That innocent pikin blood, water, na ain't go answer una. In mama una ain't go answer una. For what una just do so? Una need to change. Because una don't say that Yahoo, so if una stop and I will see better money collect. But they no one give up. Now they take wrong. PTI when they be say they busy. Now una they pursue people with una in-laws. PTI when they busy well for data. As he busy rich. Now una they dread they find Yahoo one and one cash. Now they pursue them. Now not care say life they road because that place na place when they busy well. Una not care. If una care, una not go try and say no that innocent woman the pikin when he let go so. Una for not let the let go. May their soul rest in peace. My people, this still really pay me. What all those Nigeria police they do? More na drop una comment. If na good to your bad thing, I beg. We need to stand up as citizens. We need to do things. More na not fall down. Because it's getting too much. Things don't they come off for hand like this. As it just be so. So I go stop this talking here. So if today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. You will see me on my next video again. God bless you. Paka, stay blessed, my people.